Y'all country much? That's sad. My part come in, so I guess we get to. I'm gonna travel it up to the front where all my tools are, make it easier. No sense in doing it in the field when it will travel there. That's not pretty. And I've been told the track's tight, so we'll check the tension on that when I get the idler off. Might drop some tension anyway. That should be enough tension off for what we've got to do, because I probably don't need it that tight. Anyway, I've read different ways to verify your adjustment's correct, and I'll use one of them. I know. Try to get the right amount of slack in it. It shouldn't be too tight, or just wear stuff out too fast. Well, I'm gonna put it on there to keep dirt out of there, because I'm fixing to use the air pressure again. I like the air pressure better than pressure washing at this point, because there's no reason to get it all wet. I just want to get the dust so it don't fall in places I don't want it. I'm pretty sure it's the same size. Yep, it is. I think it's the same size. Put a little slack. Yep, same size. We'll get an adjuster. Now we can adjust it. Try a method deuce. Sure come out of there now. Might just be warm too. See, yeah. I need a pokey bit. Probably something made for this, but see if this will work. Always put it back together just because it's the force of habit. I know where the both of them are. If I lose them both at the same time. Okay. I don't think I can get that in there from here. I doubt that's just going to fall out of there. She give up the ghost, ain't she? Alright. I need a wedge I can put back there. There's a cleft in that. I know that jack's probably in the way. There's a cleft in there. We need something to put in there to open it up. Get a little wedge. We're going to put it right in there like that. That should slide out now. Wow. That part slid out. Interesting. Well, so that's how it works. All that. We'll use our drift punch. That's that same 3/4 punch. It's an impact socket. So I feel like I'm using it properly. Getting some movement now. Yep, about to fall out. There's our new part. Fine product made in Chinistan. And that's what happened to the other one. Should we take the paint off? There's no paint on that. I'm gonna see if it fits, it ships. We're gonna try to put it in there with the paint on it. Perfect. I'm gonna leave the paint on it, but I'm gonna take the rust off. Let's see if that'll fit now. Too much. Might want to save that tool for later. Obviously when the other side blows. There's that. I didn't have a lock washer. We're not going to put one back. How about that? Kid you not. That's probably one of the quickest little repairs I've ever made on a piece of equipment. Alright. Now we gotta check our slack in the chain. I'm looking at it. I'm gonna mind it's a little loose yet. I think I'm gonna leave it there for a while. Let's look at the other side. It's got more slack than that. But it's also got them kinks in there. I'm gonna put just a little more on this side too. off there on that one. If there's people out there nosing detail, I mean, when you got kinks in there like that, I'm sure deflection, measuring deflection is not gonna work. I've been told I'm missing the roller and I know it. I've been told you want about 4 inches between there and maybe the center roller. If it wasn't for them kinks, I think I'd have at least 3 inches between the track chain and the center roller, plus the fact I've not moved it. It's just sitting here. If I put it in gear and maybe pull that chain back and forth a few times, it might sag a little more. But we got my roller fixed. I think that's going to be it for this. We've just changed the roller. Use a little wedge to open that part up there where it would accept it. Go over and get my other cap, put it on, put a little tension on them. That should be plenty. Right there, the problem. I had the wrong adjustment. They got a measure scale on it. They tell you how much you're messing up. She ain't much, but she's mine and paid for. It runs sweet. It's just all these little things that's been neglected over the time catching up with me. Anyway, I appreciate you.